Let's make a delicious white chicken chili cornbread casserole. In a pot, you're going to add chicken, beans, spices, green chilies, and chicken broth and let that simmer away. And for the cornbread topping, a can of cream corn, jiffy, and sour cream. And we're just going to mix that real good. And then we're going to check on our chili, make sure that the beans and everything is cooked well, add cream cheese, and that's going to give it that really nice and creamy texture. Add it to a casserole dish, top it with your cornbread, and then we're going to bake it, and it's going to be so delicious. So definitely try this. I like to serve it with some sour cream. Enjoy!